Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you another Excel trick, and this one is how to highlight, how to see the differences between two lists of data. So we're going to see the differences between these two. So first thing you're going to do is highlight one set and then hold the Control or Command key on your keyboard and then highlight the second set of data. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go up into the Home tab and you're going to go to Conditional Formatting and then you're going to click Highlight Cell Rules. Now you're going to click Duplicate Values. Okay, so and by the way, you can let go of the Control key now. And so now what we're going to do is, instead of duplicate values, we're going to put unique values, and if we click Done, it shows up with all the things that are different from each two lists. Now if we go back into here, we can go into duplicate values and we can see all the things that are same, and it doesn't highlight the ones that are different. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down below, right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.